Hi everyone, welcome along to Wellington Severe Weather Reports. Just thought I'd let you know about the snowstorm which is moving away from New Zealand at the moment and isn't going to affect us, but it will be very cold and will give us some pretty nasty frosts over the next couple of nights. You can see the cloud moving in a southwest direction away from New Zealand, and basically this cold mass here would have had snow to sea level had it been moving in a southerly direction towards Wellington. But maybe next time I'll keep you updated. Have a great night. Thanks.